it's interesting what we say. We sort of look at these terms and these labels and sort of talk about them being the new ideas in safety. And I think what we've thought about in safety differently is actually going back and looking at the old ideas that really worked and bringing them back into prominence. And I think that's what we saw in safety is a drift away from some really interesting and proven practices and methods. And we drifted into this process of behavioural-based processes where we arrived at the position that the only thing we were trying to fix was the person that needed to be controlled. So we started to see the person as the problem rather than the solution. And the reason I say that is when we look at safety differently, whilst it is based on those sort of principles, it is also, deeply based in some of the ideas like Deming in the quality management thinking out of the 60s and 70s. And in terms of that Deming theory, Deming was very much centred about the person at the front line was the solution that you needed to harness. And that's really become the predominant idea in safety differently, is going back to the people that do the work and trying to understand how do you help them to succeed, to do the tasks that we're putting before them, achieve the expectations and the outputs that the organisation is desiring them to achieve.